Find if a data frame is a subset of another data frame while ignoring index. Trying to find if a pandas df is a subset of a different pandas df or not. I can compare for two data frames when their index matches, but in my cases the rows have different indexes. I want the above results to match and come out as true. Currently it only looks for same index. How can I override this?
Possible solution is use merge by all columns, no parameter on, and then use ISIN with subset. Another idea is compare multi-indexes.
What is the deal? Isn't doing and trying.